Introducing Microsafari Horizons, a one-of-a-kind microscopic adventure kit that'll leave you wide-eyed and mouth open. Explore expansive, bustling soil ecosystems with Microsafari Terra, submerge yourself into microscopic water worlds with Microsafari Aqua, and see life in a whole new light with the Horizons microscope. Explore the unseen worlds hiding in your backyard, every puddle and ditch with its own ecosystem and a unique story to tell. Discover new organisms in every sample and see the world like you've never seen it before. At Microsafari, we believe that microscopy is for all. You don't need a PhD or a $100,000 microscope to unlock the hidden worlds around us. With Microsafari Horizons, we give you all of the training and supplies that you need to become a microscope pro and experience the joys of discovery for yourself. Included in the kit is the Horizons microscope, a 2500x lab-grade microscope capable enough to see individual bacteria, blood samples, fungi, and so much more. Project the microview onto the big screen in full 4K resolution with the Horizons camera. Collaboratively discover new alien-looking creatures with your friends and family in real time, and save pictures and videos to document your discoveries. But where do you find samples? Well, you get live samples straight out of the box with Microsafari Terra, our smash hit soil ecosystem habitat with thousands of live organisms. Watch your creatures as they eat each other, reproduce, and interact. Feed and grow your ecosystem and watch it evolve over time. It's kind of like an ant farm, but instead of ants, there's an entire universe of creatures for you to explore. Better yet, use Microsafari Aqua to collect your own diverse ecosystems from places all around you. Our patent-pending high-tech microscope slides make collecting and observing aquatic ecosystems easy and keep the organisms alive for months at a time instead of them dying in a couple of hours on a regular microscope slide. It's like an aquarium, but for microorganisms. We also include microscope slides, prepared slides, and cleaning supplies. All of the basics you need to launch. But a microscope is no good if you don't know how to use it. And that's why we're including all of the training that you need to go from microscope zero to microscope hero. No more piecing together bits of info from across the internet that weren't even written for your microscope. Every kit includes a one-on-one onboarding video call with yours truly, access to our microscope masterclass, and lifetime microscope support. The first time that I gazed through the lens, seeing the true breadth of life on this planet, I was filled with a feeling of wonder and awe for seeing the world as I had never seen it before. And it was that feeling of discovery that I knew that I needed to share with the world. Start your journey today at microsafari.org.